Hey everyone, this is Angie at StampingWithAmore. Welcome to my channel. Today we're going to do a Mother's Day treat holder. This could be used for anything, but I thought this would be really cute for Mother's Day. You can put a small gift in here, or you can put her favorite treat or whatever. But this is a little purse, and it just has a little Velcro here, and it opens like that. You can fill that up and then just close it back up. I used our gold ribbon. This gold ribbon is retiring, so if you want this gold ribbon, you need to grab it right away. I'm going to also show you a little trick that I learned, and I can't remember her name, but I will link it. I'll put it up here or link it in the video. I'll put it on the screen here or link it in the video. But I'm going to show you how you can emboss this little part right in the middle. I did it in gold. I don't know if you can see that, but it really adds some texture to it, and it really makes it super cute. So I'm going to show you that. I'm going to show you another trick that you can do with it as well. So this is what I'm sharing today. If you are new, please subscribe, hit that bell for notifications each time I upload a new video. Also, like the video and share it, because all those things really make a big difference in the algorithm in YouTube. And I know that's confusing probably for some of you, but it means a lot. So thank you so much for that. All right, so we are going to get started with this. By the way, this is a new color. It's actually a returning color. This is Berry Burst. So I did this one in Berry Burst, and then I used the gold ribbon on this one. We're going to change it up for this other one, and I'm going to use a new color that's coming in. And if you haven't seen my haul, I posted it on Thursday. So go back and check out that haul and see what I have, because you know I'm going to create with it. So go check that out. All right, so what I'm using this time is the Bubble Bath. I love this pink. It's so cute. So this is the Bubble Bath. This is a new color, and this is in the subtles. So in the video, I show you all the new core colors, the returning colors, and the in colors in there. And I actually stamped them all out so you can see what they look like. So for this one, I'm also using our new Designer Series paper patterns. This is what our new patterns look like. I was so tempted, y'all. Polka dots is one of my favorite things, and I wanted to use it on here, but I thought that the stripe on the other side looked cuter with this project. But these are all our subtle colors, and the patterns, there's 4 different patterns. The polka dot, the little hearts right here, and this little pattern here, and then the other one has the stripe on the back. But it comes in all our subtle colors, and we have it for every family color, including the new in colors. So these are all coming out May 3rd. So get your wish list going, because oh my goodness, I haven't even gotten half the stuff I want in the new catalog. All right, so this piece here is 8.5 by 5. All these measurements, if you're new, I put them on an inspiration sheet in my blog at stampingwithamore.com. You can download it and post it. And then we're going to mat. So I'm going to mat these pieces. We need 2 that are 2 7/8 by 2 7/8, and one that's 1 3/8 by 2 7/8. So that's for our matting. And then you need a piece of basic white, and that is going to be for our stamping our flower, which we're going to do first. So let's go ahead. I'm going to use the Bubble Bath ink, and I'm going to do some 2-step stamping. And I'm using the Color and Contour bundle. This actually came as a bundle, and so I'm using this. You are absolutely amazing. You can use Happy Mother's Day, anything that you want, but I really love that sentiment, and I wanted to use the same stamp set. So I'm using these 2 right here for the flower, and then I am using, for this, using the flower to cut out that flower. So that is everything that I'm using for this. So I'm going to start with the one that I'm going to stamp. That's going to be my darker, and then I'm going to stamp off. I think I'm going to stamp off on this. I did on the other one. I just want it lighter. So I am going to stamp off. Let me grab this piece so I don't mess this up. And if it doesn't stamp dark, I may do it again. Let's see. So I'm trying to, it's not going to line up perfectly. It's not meant to. And I think that's going to be a little bit too light. So I'm going to go ahead and stamp that again. And I'm going to stamp it full strength this time, because this is a really light color. So we're going to do that, and then we'll just stamp this on there. Turn it around this way, that, just like that. So there's going to be our flower, and I'm going to show you here a couple things that you can do with this technique. I'm going to show you. It's so cute. It's so fun. Now you need a gel pen, and you can use any gel pen. It could be black, whatever color that you want to use. I'm going to use gold, but you can use any embossing powder that you use. First of all, I want to get my embossing buddy here, because we're going to put a little gold center on here, and I'm just going to kind of squiggle this around in there. And then you can use this, because the gel pen stays wet longer. You can just go ahead and use that. And look at that, it's going to emboss. So what I'm going to do, and you can use any color. I've used different colors for all these. I'm going to use my heat gun, and I'm going to go ahead and we are going to make this center gold. So look at that, y'all. Can you see that? Isn't that pretty? It's so pretty, and it's so fun, and look how quick that is. So I want to show you something else that you can do too. Like, you can just write your name on here. I'm getting all that stuff. I need to get my little, there's embossing powder all over here. I need to wipe that. So you can write your name. You can use designer series paper, and you can make your own little flower. I'll just do something kind of crazy, and you can write your name here, and there's so much you can do, y'all. I'm going to use this technique again, and you'll see what I'm talking about with all you can do with this. And I'll put the girl's name on, but she got it from somebody else, so I don't know who the original person was that figured this all out, but I'm going to share it with you because I thought it was so fun and interesting. I'm going to heat this again, and I'll show you what it looks like. So look at this, y'all. Isn't that fun? You can do anything. I thought it'd be really neat on designer series paper if you want to like make the center of a flower or whatever gold. All you have to do is color it in, and I recommend doing it pretty quick because you know you want to do it while your ink's still wet. All right, so I am going to get my little mini cut and emboss, and we're going to run this through. Let me see, I need a piece of my tape here. But you need to give it a try. It's really fun. And I thought it was so pretty on this flower. And then we have our little flower cut out right there with the little gold center. All right. All right, so we got the flower all ready to go, and we're going to go ahead and we're going to score this piece. So you're going to score on the 8.5 inch side at 1.5, 4.5, and 5.5. Then you're going to turn it, and you're going to score it on the 5 inch side at 1 and 4. Woo. And that's it, y'all. This is really easy to make. So this that has this larger area here, we are going to cut this. I'll cut that off. We're going to cut this one off here. And then on the sides, you're just going to cut those. We're going to do both sides the same way. Cut into those. And this is a little bit different than I normally do. And I'll show you here what I'm talking about. I'm going to grab my bone folder, fix that really quick. Alright. So what we're going to do is we are going to sharpen these score marks. Y'all, these go so quick and easy that you can make these for your sisters or in your moms, all that. Or even for a little girl's birthday party, it would be so cute. So we're going to mat this, especially with the polka dot. I think that'd be cute for like a little girl. We're going to mat this piece here. And then we're going to mat the other one. I did mat both sides of this box. And then this one. I'm going to flip this so I could see which way these are going. The stripes, because I want them to go the same way. Well, I guess I didn't cut it to go the same way this one, but it's all right. So that is that. So I am going to use, you can use tear and tape. I'm going to go ahead and just use my Stampin' Seal Plus for this one. But always make sure you have tape right to the edge. And then you're going to pull these up. You're going to line these up like this. Because you want that to be, especially on a box like this, you want it to be really closed on the end there. Because normally this is what I do for a box. You know, I push it in. This time you're just going to push it out. You have to use your fingers because this is, so you just push it out, take your fingers, and you can just kind of push the end. You don't want the whole bottom pushed out, but you can see how I did it there. Just like that. That's going to fold over like that. And I'm going to get a Velcro dot, and we're going to close that up before it drives me crazy. So we're going to use a Velcro dot. Has anybody found any good Velcro dots? Because I'm on the last of my ones I used to get at Walmart, and the last ones I got from Hobby Lobby were not good. I did not like those at all. So I'm searching for some other ones. So that's how that's going to go. And then we're going to take our ribbon, and I am going to show some of our new ribbon here. And I forgot to do something. So this comes in a 2-pack. It comes with, I think this is Lemon Lime Twist, and then our baby pink here. I think this is baby pink. I can't tell for sure. My eyes are really. But what I wanted to do here, and what you're going to do is use tear and tape for this, because this works the best. And you can do this 2 ways. Let me show you here. I'm just going to put a piece on the end here. And this is really thin. The other one wasn't quite as thin, so. And I did do the other one a little bit different, but I'll show you here. You want to figure out how long you want it. I'm not sure this is baby pink, y'all, this ribbon. But put your adhesive on the same side as the other side. And I'll show you here what I'm talking about. So both of them have it on this side right here. And then you're just going to peel this off. And just put it right on the inside here. And I'm putting it on the side, like right on the side there. Use a strong adhesive. It's really important, because if you're going to put anything like heavy or anything like that in it, you want it to stay. Again, I'm putting it right on the inside here. And we're going to fold that over like that. I'm going to grab another piece right here. Oh, we need to stamp our sentiment. And I'm going to stamp that in Memento Black. I think I'm going to use this side. That looks straighter. A little bit straighter. Stamp that. The baby pink is really too light to stamp it the same color, so then I'm just going to trim this. Try to trim it straight with my hands here. And I'm going to grab my punch, put a little hole in there. You want to cut your ribbon so that this fits in there. And then, let's see, did I do that right? Because I want to tie a bow. I probably should cut my ribbon so I can tie the bow. Try to get you in here. And then just tie that real tight, down and tight. And then we're going to tie this into a little bow. This ribbon's so cute. It's kind of striped. It ties really, really nice. And that's going to be on the end there. It'd be cute if you had a little charm you could add on here. And then we're going to just add our little, with a dimensional, I'm going to add this little flower right here. You don't have to, you can glue it right to it. I'm not sure if I added the dimensional before, but I think I did. So there you go. Isn't it cute? These are so cute. They'd be really fun. Oh, these would be really good for nursing homes too. That would be really cute. I'd love that, like for Mother's Day. There are a lot of women in nursing homes, a lot. So, yeah, it'd be really cute just to add some little treats or anything. So there you go. Here's the new, I was going to say Blackberry Bliss, but it is Berry Burst and Bubble Bath. I want to call it bubble gum all the time. I got to just get used to the new names. All right, everyone, I hope you enjoyed it. If you need any supplies, you can shop on my blog at StampingWithAmore.com. Don't forget, the catalog goes live May 3rd. For all of you who are my regular customers, and if you've ordered within this last 6 months, there will be a catalog coming to your home. And I remembered this time. And then if you do not have a demonstrator and you'd like a catalog, you can sign up for one on my request form on my blog at StampingWithAmore.com. They will be going out pretty soon, probably within the next week. All right, everyone, I hope you have a blessed day, and I will catch you in the next one. See you later, everyone. Bye.